Hi, my name is Daniel Malik, and today I'm going to show you a new functionality in Code Auditor that's called Ignore Code Blocks. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to go here in Options, and under Scanning there is a new functionality called Ignore Code Blocks. This is turned on by default. If it's not, you can go on and turn it on or turn it off based on what are your needs. So Ignore Code Blocks is using specific commands that you can put in your code, and that helps the tool to ignore specific. Either it can be ignore a line, you can use those two commands to ignore a specific block, or you can ignore everything after that command. There is also a shorter version if you want to use it, so it's up to you. This works in C#, Visual Basic, markup languages like HTML, XML, and so forth, or on SQL files. So what I'm gonna do here now, I will just go to Jobs, run a simple scan, and as you can see, there are some issues in code. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna comment out this line of code, and I'm gonna say Code Auditor. I wanna ignore the entire block, and let's say Code Auditor, I wanna close it. So this will help me to ignore this exception, and there is another rule here in code that says do not use app settings, so it will suppress this guy as well. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna rerun the scan, and as you can see now, only 4 errors appear. So I could keep going on, and I could say in this case I wanna just ignore this line, and I'm gonna press it like this, and in the next one I want to ignore another line, so I could use the other syntax, ** CA, and I want to ignore this file, and let me run that again. Now only one file is actually left, so what I'm gonna do here, I could ignore the entire file, so I'm gonna put in a comment that is for markup languages, and I'm gonna say ** CA, I want to ignore everything, so I use exclamation point, add a comment. Now everything after this point is ignored in the file, so I could go here in the jobs, start this again, and now everything's healthy. Now if for some reason I want to turn back the feature off and look at the errors that were suppressed, I can just go here in settings, save that, go back to jobs, run this again, and now all 7 errors should be back on. So this is the new feature in Code Auditor. Thanks for watching.